Thank you, darkness, my old friend. Good luck with all that you do, my friend. Hi, Gura! Hi, Willow. How are you? I have a question. When sharks get turned upside down, they go into a state of paralysis called tonic immobility. So, what happens when someone flips you upside down? Well. It sometimes can happen. Sometimes tonic immobility, yeah. That carries over into the human sharks. But also, I don't like having my belly exposed. So, I'm gonna fight you. I'm gonna fight you. It's a 50-50. I'm either gonna fight you or... yeah. Tonic immobility. What do you do with a hungry chumba? What do you do with a hungry chumba? What do you do with a hungry chumba? Munching on some shrimpy.
英語でもさ、一狩り行こうぜみたいなフレーズってあるのかな？レッツゴーみたいな、レッツゴーみたいな、レッツゴーみたいな。
あ、What did you say? なんて言った？
英語でなんて言うの？レッツゴーみたいな感じの。
まあ、レッツゴーでしょ？
レッツゴー。
レッツゴー
Last time you introduced yourself to my mother, she thought you were super cute and then asked what special skills you have. My mother thinks you're not just a detective. That's... right! I'm not just a detective. I'm also... time... It's insanity, like you! Come!
They'll go.
気づかれてしまったわ、みんな。無念です。完璧に気配を消していたのに。完璧な忍び足だったのに。さすがはカムラの里でも指折りのつわもの。
指。
さあ、参りますよ。
行くぞー。行くぞー。It looks like he says nya.
佐藤さん、お連れし
Elder
ました。
Fugenya.
おお、
もうにゃ
井上、湊、ご苦労。
ご苦労にゃ I really feel like you really earned this pillow time, you know? Let's play Pickle Land. Ready? Oh god! Ababa. Laugh. I think Pickle Land is nice. I wouldn't mind being stuck here for eternity. How about you?
Next, the done. I don't know if anyone has asked this yet, but what will you do once you've successfully accomplished world domination? Bien. I think it's obvious what I want to do. I want to sleep.
You actually remind me a lot of my little sister. So cute.
What? I remind you of your little sister? Oni-chan. Oni-chan.
ねえねえ、もう朝だよ。起きなきゃいけないんだよ。ねえ、起きて。
いけないな、こんな時間まで寝るなんて。ダメな大人なんだ。ダメな大人でいいや。こら、起きろ。
お兄ちゃん Yahoo! Is he even here? If he is, he probably just died. He must have died from a heart attack now. O兄ちゃん
It's been a minute since we collabed.
Yeah, a long time. Also, you have a typo in the title.
I do?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm fixing
No problem.
I'm
No
fixing
problem.
it.
Obviously, English is not the first language in the underworld, is it?
It's not. It's underworldian. People seem to forget that. I might be
Well, then
fluent in
please
English,
speak
but
underworldian for me. Let me hear how it sounds.
I will. But honestly, Kusatori, you're not gonna understand. You're not gonna even be able to hear it.
What if I...
Do this. Does it sound someone like this? On the
Sounds
world?
nothing like that, Kusatori.
Exclamation! World Media Player stopped rebooting program. Whoa! I'm gonna get banned! I can't show this! FBI?
Did you guys watch Kiara's stream? What is the game called? Sims? That's Sims. I was watching Kiara's Sim stream and I haven't laughed like that in a very long time. That was like...
Kura is cooking. Kelly, what the fuck do I do? What the... Kura, let me see your terrified face.
I was watching it in bed. And I was barely laughing. It was so good. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to use that.
ひなちゃんはなんか漫画とかアニメとかで
はい。
好きなやつってあるの？推しの。
エヴァンゲリオンの
うん。
渚薫くん好きです。はい。
なんか
なんかわかる。
わかっちゃった気がするな。好みが。
正直に言うとめっちゃオタクというか、なんか漫画とかアニメとか話するの好きです。はい。
あ、いいね。オタク最高。
みんな聞いたか？オタク最高って。
オタク最高。
わかるよね。
あ、じゃあ五条悟好き？
好
五条
きです。
悟。
はい。